if I really start from the beginning, I started programming back when I was, I think, 8 years old, because my father taught me to program in BASIC and later on Pascal. That was always a hobby of mine. Then when I was 16 years old, I started my first job as a web developer. I gradually kind of specialized in back-end development. What I really liked about Speap was that we were able to build a new product completely from scratch. So I saw all the designs, all the plans that they had, and I thought it was a really good idea. I already started thinking about how I would build that. And, so I got really excited about that. For a developer, it's always a dream to start from nothing and to build something great. So the goal of Speap is to connect the disconnected, basically. And it's an enterprise social network, which we offer as a SaaS solution. The growth of our customer base has really been steady, and especially the last few years, it's really explosive. And in order to grow with the customer base, we really need a scalable foundation and a scalable infrastructure. And Leaseweb is able to provide that for us.